चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Right, see, the entire NEET scenario has now become really chaotic, with several PILs and petitions filed in the Supreme Court as well as in the Delhi High Court. On the other hand, today in the Supreme Court, there will be hearing on 3 PILs that have been filed that allege that there have been irregularities in the NEET UG examination results. Now, these are firstly paper leak allegations, secondly grace marks that have been given to nearly 1,500 students, and also several allegations regarding discrepancies in the OMR sheets. So on that note, there will be hearing into 3 PILs today. One will be of Alak Pandey, who is the chief executive of the EdTech firm. He is in fact alleging that there has been grace marks that have been given to the students, and he urges the court to form a committee under the court's supervision to take note in the entire matter. On the other hand, in fact, yesterday, when I was there at Jantar Mantar tracking the protest, the students there as well, they were also moving from the protest site, a few of them to the court, filing more petitions, more PILs to urge the court to, give re-NEET or to entirely cancel the exam results and conduct the NEET exams once again. In fact, let's get you all the details in terms of the protest. Today again, at around 10 a.m., the students are once again coming at Jantar Mantar. They are hitting the streets and they will be protesting and calling for re-NEET. Remember, they are raising hashtag re-NEET. That is what we saw in the slogans that were raised yesterday. In fact, we also spoke to the students who want at this point in time the court to step in, which is why several PILs have been filed. So we are going to witness several dramatic developments that will take place today. On the other hand, NTA has been cornered. The NTA is not even responding to the questions that have been asked by Republic. They are, of course, not even coming out and speaking to the media because they know that at this point in time, the pressure is building on the NTA. On the other hand, the Supreme Court has, of course, refused to put a stay on the counselling and said that, it has in fact issued notice to the NTA and the centre in terms of giving a response on the answers of the students, on the answers of the irregularities. So several such developments will be taking place. We'll get you all the details through the course of the day.
To that, there is a growing clamour that the exams should be reconducted. In fact, the Supreme Court has even sought a reply from the NTA, seeking to know whether it's viable to hold the exams again or not. Take us once again through the demands of these hundreds and thousands of students whose fate hangs in balance and they've been left in the lurch.
Not just the students, but their parents have also come in hitting the streets. There are students from across the nation who are still unable to come out, fearing, that there will be action on them, which is why they're unable to protest. But the ones who have already hit the streets, they are in fact demanding that there needs to be cancellation of the results and there needs to be a conduction of the exams once again. They're alleging that grace marks have been given to students who have scored above a 600 mark, and grace marks such as plus 90, plus 94. These are the numbers that have been given. In fact, they have also said that the OMR sheets, there were discrepancies and irregularities in the OMR sheets as well during the exam. And also, several centers now are under scrutiny because of the entire mess that has taken place. Also, the students and the parents are worried as to where their future is going. And also, how the nation is also concerned about the fact that at this position where there is A, a paper leak, B, grace marking, what kind of medical students or medical professionals is the country going to get in the near future, which is why the Supreme Court has also raised its fears on that note and has issued a notice to the NTA and sent it to response. And this hearing will be taking place on the 8th of July, where the NTA has to file its response to the Supreme Court regarding the paper leak, regarding the irregularities in the OMR sheets, regarding the grace marks that have been given. So there the students constantly calling for justice constantly calling for their rights of re-NEET examinations.